From the audience, someone has a comment or a question for Chris Matthews.
Chris, earlier today you were talking about how President Obama is not going to negotiate about his baby, the Affordable Care Act.
Yeah.
Ron Fournier had a piece where he said to do so would be political malpractice, set a bad precedent for future presidents. How would Ronald Reagan have handled this situation?
Well, I don't think he would have ever, I don't think he ever had to, but it'd be like going after him on his tax cuts from 81. I mean, we're on satellite radio, so I can say something now, right?
Of course you can.
I can quote Reagan.
Yes.
When Jim Wright, the number 2 guy to tip, the majority leader from Texas, said, I'm going to offer you some spending cuts, but I want you to give up the third-year tax cut. And Reagan said, I can crap a pineapple. I can't crap a cactus. That was Reagan in the back room. Ladies and gentlemen, meet your president. But that's the way they talked, and there are certain things you're not going to give one. And if Obama gives up the baby, it's just like King Solomon in the Bible. You can't cut the baby in half if you're the mother. In fact, nobody should be asking to cut the baby in half. This delay is death. They're going to delay it so they can kill it next year. They're going to spend the whole year building their case for killing it next year. This isn't to improve it. They're not working on making it better. Senator Cruz has said, I want it dead. And I think the normal practice, in fact, the way we have our government work is you pass a bill through Congress, it's signed by the president, reviewed by the courts, and it's law. And then you at least try it out. We even tried out prohibition for more than a decade. But killing it in its crib before it even gets started, you got to wonder what the motive is. Is it because you're afraid it will catch on? Or you believe it won't catch on? I don't know what they're thinking. But it's not socialism. It's not the public option. It's basically the Heritage Foundation proposal. And oddly enough, the Heritage Foundation is opposing it. Nixon was much stronger in what he wanted. He wanted an employer mandate requiring every employer in the country to give health care to their employees. So this has been a slow-moving progression over 50 years. And the Democrats, as a party, have finally got it. If I were Obama, the one thing I would have said is refer to it as the Democrats' health care plan, because they're the ones that passed. Don't call it Obamacare, because the Democratic Party's been fighting for this since FDR.